Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Ade, and today I'm going to talk about English tense again, the continuation of my previous video about English tenses. In this video, I'm going to give you an explanation about past future tense. Who's here already heard about past future tense? Well, if you'd like to know more about this tense and when to use it, stay tuned. Past future tense is used to express the idea that in the past an action or event was predicted, planned, promised, or expected to be done in the future of the past. It doesn't matter if the idea is correct or not. Since the future of past meant by the idea is actually future and perspective of past, which can actually become past, present, or future related to perspective of present. Therefore, we can use this tense for the function of past simple tense, present simple tense, or future simple tense. Like simple future, future in the past has two different forms in English. They are would and was going to. Although the two forms sometimes can be used interchangeably, they often express two different meanings. First, form would. For example, I knew you would help him, or I knew you would not help him. Second, form was or were going to. For example, I knew you were going to go to the party, or I knew you were not going to go to the party. Future in the past follows the same basic rules as the simple future. Would is used to volunteer or promise, and was going to used to plan. Moreover, both forms can be used to make predictions about the future. For example, 1. I told you she was going to come to the party. 2. I knew Sarah would make dinner. 3. I had a feeling that the vacation was going to be a disaster. 4. He promised he would send a postcard from Australia. Remember to not ever use future in time clauses, because like all future forms, future in the past can be used in clauses beginning with time expressions, such as when, while, before, after, by the time, soon as, if, unless, etc. Instead of using future in the past, you must use simple past. For example, I already told Julia that when she would arrive, we would go out for dinner. This sentence is, however, incorrect. And the correct sentence is, I already told Julia that when she arrived, we would go out for dinner. Here are some examples. Positive. 1. It should be okay now. This means that it must be okay now. 2. He said he would buy a house last year. This means he said he wanted to buy a house last year. 3. It would be discovered soon. This sentence basically means it will be discovered soon, as it shows an idea in the past, which is predicted to be true in the future. Negative. 1. It shouldn't be that bad. This means it wasn't supposed to be that bad, or it wasn't expected to be that bad. 2. It wouldn't rain that day. This means it wasn't predicted to rain that day, or it might not rain that day. 3. The window should not be open. This means the window must not be opened. Interrogative. 1. Should I wear this raincoat? This basically means, shall I wear this raincoat? 2. Would you like to dance with me? This means, do you want to dance with me? 3. Would she make dinner for us tonight? This means, would she make dinner for us tonight? Or is she going to make dinner for us tonight? So the function of should can be a substitution of must at present simple tense, had to or was supposed to at past simple tense, and shall at future simple tense. Would can be used as a substitution for want to at present simple tense. Wanted to or was predicted instead of using could or might in the past simple tense. And will at future simple tense. Okay guys, so I think that's all the lesson for today. I hope this video can be helpful for all of you or the people around you who are currently trying to improve their English. And hopefully can make you become more fluent in speaking English and the grammar too. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and share to your friends and family. You can also subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos and click the bell button to get a faster notification. And if you have any suggestions to my videos, then you can kindly leave a good comment down below. See ya in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.